Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the missing TikTok repost button. So first, I'm going to tell you why the TikTok repost button might be missing on your applications. So the first one, maybe your TikTok app version is outdated. So if your TikTok app isn't up to date, you need to update it first because the newer features like Repost may not appear. So you can go to your Play Store or App Store and then just search for TikTok in here. TikTok. Oh, it's on the books. Let's go find apps, and here search for TikTok, and then here if it needs update, then you need to click on update. And the second one, the feature isn't available in your region or yet roll out. So TikTok rolls out features gradually, so some users get them earlier than others. So you need to be patient until it available on your region. And the third one, maybe it's about video or creator restriction. So some videos or creators don't allow reposting. In those cases, the button simply won't show for that video. And the next one, maybe there are temporary bugs or account restrictions that can hide features like repost. And also the account type limitations. So business, creator, or new accounts may not have repost enabled by default. So how you can fix it? First, of course, you need to update your TikTok app like I showed you before. So make sure you're on the latest versions of TikTok. And the second one, you can try refresh the app's cache because it can fix the UI glitches. So you can just open your profile and click on the menu, the three lines at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy. And in here, you can just scroll down until you find the free up space. Now just click on clear on the cache. So this will reset temporarily files without deleting your account. And next one, you can try to just log out and log back in. So this simple step resets your session and can bring back the missing features. And if the clearing cache doesn't work, you can also try to just uninstall the TikTok app on Play Store or on your phone. You can just click on uninstall, and after that you can restart your phone and install TikTok again from the App Store or Play Store, and this will ensure your app is fresh with the latest UI code. And you need to also check for the account and settings because some TikTok accounts may face restrictions if flagged, banned, or limited. And if available, you can just look under the settings and go to the privacy. And here you can just find the options, interactions to check if the repost is enabled. You can also try to log in into a different account or using TikTok on another phone so you can help identify if it's an account specific issue. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.